We will start in 3 minutes, guys. 3 more minutes, guys. We shall begin. Okay, let's go, people. Are you guys ready? Shashank, there's a bug whenever I. What? Something. God knows. Okay, are you guys ready? First of all, okay, what's happening? Look at the news today. Uh, the Sensex actually in the morning was down by around 350 points. If you guys saw it in the morning, if you guys were tracking how it was working, in the morning it was down around 350 points. And why was it down so much in the morning? Can you guys say why it was down? Or do you know why the market was in a bad mood in the morning? Yeah, Adani. So, if you guys know who Adani is, his net worth went up almost 10 times this year. All his stocks rallied up by 10 times. So, that was insane. Okay. And no one understood why this was happening. In fact, Adani was just winning order after order after order. In fact, if you see his last 2 3 years, he never won an order, right? And then suddenly in the last 1 year, he won all the orders possible. Yeah, I never bought any of Adani shares because it looked very weird, right? It wasn't something that was natural. It looked very weird, and the share price just started going up 10 times in a year, especially if it is such a big entity like Adani. Share price going up 10 times is something very weird, and no one understood that. Then we finally saw Sucheta Dalal actually putting out a tweet. She's the same person who exposed the Harshad Mehta scam 1992, and she put out a tweet saying that there is some big scam going on again, where a lot of foreign entities are buying up a particular group's stocks, and most of the stocks are held by that foreign entity, and the promoters. So the people actually have less stocks, which is making the stock go up and rally. And then eventually, what will happen is everyone, all the normal people, would be like, okay, you know what, the stock is going up, let's buy more, and then they exit it and run away, right? So something like this happens all the time. So if you look at what happened with Adani today, apparently three companies, right, three big companies accounts were frozen, right? And these were three big FPIs, which are foreign portfolio investors. Their accounts were frozen, and those three people had around what, 43,000 crores, right, in Adani stock, across Adani stock, right? Now Adani obviously came in the evening. This happened in the morning, this happened yesterday, but then Adani came in the evening and said that this is all stupid. This isn't true. All this being frozen is not real, and this is stupid. And obviously that we still don't know what the truth is. We don't know whether it's a real scam or is it something that is happening. But this is obviously anyone would just be like, no, we don't know what this is. But all their stocks fell down by 5% in the morning. In fact, Adani Enterprises went down to 20%. Right, and then I think it recovered also by the end of the day, which is damn weird. Let me tell you what Adani Enterprises is. Yeah, it was down by 20% in the morning, and it's now down by 6.5%. All of his other stocks were also down by 5%. Right now, 43,000 crores worth of stock bought by 43,000 crores worth of stock bought by three foreign companies buying up a particular entity. Do you think that's weird or do you think that's fine? What do you guys think? Weird, right? And that's exactly what a lot of people are thinking. So, for all the people who are staying away from Adani, you're safe. For all the people who made their money with Adani, please exit right now if you have made your money. Um, but if you haven't bought it, please do not take any fresh entry right now. Now, a lot of people are predicting, or a lot of people are saying that if this scam comes out, that will trigger the next crash, or that will trigger this bubble to break. What do you guys think about this? A lot of people in the market are talking about this, right? That if someone comes out and opens this, very similar to how it happened last time, a big market crash would happen. Do you guys agree with this or not? I want to see how people think about it. I'm talking about the market crash. Okay. Now, obviously, we can't say at utmost certainty whether it'll crash or not. But what we do know is that Adani stock will definitely crash, right? And the market will react, right? Market will definitely react, but it won't crash. It will correct. Okay, what do I mean by it will correct? थोड़ा बहुत नीचे जाएगा, बहुत ज़्यादा नीचे नहीं जाएगा, थोड़ा बहुत नीचे जाएगा for sure. Yes, and the new web series will come on Netflix saying Adani in the Big Boy Bad Boy Billionaires, उसमें एक और episode आ जाएगा Adani के साथ. But I don't think the market would crash. The reason why I wouldn't say market would crash is because if you look at all the fintech players, if you look at all the IT players, they are doing really well right now. So that wouldn't take the entire market down just because of one group of company, right? If you look at, and do you guys know why IT is doing so well now? Like literally there's an IT boom going on. Two reasons. Do you guys know why? Remote is one reason, yes, not saying no. Going remote is one reason, but there is another reason as well. Okay, so the dollar to INR rate is at 73 rupees right now, which is very high. Okay, now why does dollar to INR rate even matter? Is because most of the services that TCS or Infosys or anyone does, right? They do this thing called export of software services, where they say, I'm going to get $1 million in return. But $1 million at 70 rupees is 7 crores, but $1 million at 73 rupees is 7.3 crores, right? Without you doing anything, right? That is 30 lakhs extra for every $1 million. Now, what happens is if you have $1 billion contract, or if you totally have $1 billion contract, $1 billion contract, matlab, say 1 billion is around 7,000 crores if dollar is at 70 rupees. But if dollar becomes 73 rupees, then you make 300 crores without doing anything, right? Better you make 300 crores. So a lot of IT companies, right, when the dollar is strong and when rupee is weak, all the IT companies make a lot of money. But what happens, usually what happens is this reverses after a point of time, right? Whenever the dollar is becoming stronger and rupee becomes weaker, the Indian government comes into the picture and says, no, 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 we can't let rupee become so weak. Let's start buying dollars by ourselves, and they artificially make rupee become stronger, and rupee goes back to 71, 70. So when that cycle happens, right, all the IT stocks will fall down because all their extra revenue that they showed in the last few months suddenly becomes low. So this is how the IT cycle always works, right? Now, because of work from home, this has helped the IT sector even more. That is an extra added bonus that they've got. Why? Because everyone's sitting at home. When you look at all the IT stocks in the market today, their biggest expense was travel and visas, right? Because they do export of services. They actually send all the people to different countries and then make them stay there, spend tickets for them, pay for everything that they do, outsource everything. They're called expats. They actually go to different countries and then sit there and start working for the client. Right now, all that cost is gone because of COVID. No cost. Everyone's sitting at home and helping clients abroad, and it's working out somehow. So when that happens, your expenses go down drastically. And when expenses, yeah, office maintenance, because IT, so the entire IT business, like if you look at TCS, Wipro, they only have one thing in their life. You know what that one thing is? People. People is the only thing that they have in life. No manufacturing, no machines, nothing. They don't need any of this. All they need is people, right? Nothing else. So if people start leaving, or people, they hire more people or less people, it affects their fundamentals. That's it, as simple as that. Got it. Awesome, awesome. 486. Another thing, some weird news in sports. Nikhil Kamath has come in sports for some reason. Nikhil Kamath, Zerodha's Nikhil Kamath is accused of cheating against Vishwanath Anand in a chess game, gets banned from platform. Nikhil Kamath chess.com account has been banned after he was found cheating. And this, I think chess.com recently did a fundraiser, if I'm not wrong, right? That's where all these people had come together and fundraiser pay. Apparently, he got caught cheating and he's banned from chess.com. My God, what is this different type of news? But crazy. I don't know how he beat this though. Oh, he beat all the other players easily, and apparently he beat Vishwanath Anand because all his moves had an accuracy rate of 99%. Wow, I think he used some algorithm for this also. Gone, banned from here. Sad, no? Crazy. Yeah, so this is something that's happening as well. Okay, it's called the Stockfish 13 engine. The Stockfix EAE. Oh my god. Crazy. Nice. Now, apart from that, let me see some other news. What else is there? Oh, there's some IPO that came out today. Sham Metallics IPO subscribed 62% on day one. It's been a while since a good IPO has come out. In fact, we're all waiting for the better. We're all waiting for good IPOs and better IPOs to actually come. That hasn't come out yet. And which one? We're looking at Zomato coming out soon. A lot of good IPOs are coming. I think even Indigo Air, not Indigo, sorry. Why do I keep saying Indigo? Go Air, LIC. Paytm has come out with the interest of coming with an IPO. True caller, I don't think delivery is coming out. Yes, delivery is coming out, so that's good. That's good as well. Actually, Sham IPO got fully subscribed on day one. Retail portion is approximately booked at 1.84%. Not bad, Sham. Not bad. Very good. Ruchi Soya is doing an FPO, by the way, for someone who said, I think Narendra Modi said Ruchi Soya. So it's not IPO, it's considered as an FPO because they already have so much stake. So FPO is happening. Yeah, Narendra Modi is in the chat apparently. Please tell me what Suchita Dalal is talking about. And the best thing is, and when I see all these news, right? And the best thing is, over the weekend, I saw another piece of information that said Adani Group just came out with another subsidiary called Adani Cement. Can you believe that? Oh, by the way, we hit 500 listeners today. Where were you guys on the weekend, by the way? I did a session on Sunday. I only saw 250 people. Were you guys watching the tennis match or what? Sleeping. The session was at 8 p.m. How can you sleep at 8 p.m. on a Sunday? Oh, there was a football match and a tennis match. Whoever said outing, I'm taking a screenshot and sending it to the nearest police station. If you guys are going out, you're not supposed to go out in this time. Okay, interesting. No notification received. From that time, I'm sending notification. What do you mean, no notification received? Okay, either which way. Coming back to the point. What else is interesting today? Let's see. What the hell? One sec. Everyone's just talking about Adani Group. Ruchi Soya, by the way, filed an FPO for to raise 4,300 crores more. Is it a good thing or a bad thing? I mean, the way Ruchi Soya is functioning right now, I think it is a good thing because they're making good amount of profit. But again, it's very risky. So that's something that you'll have to see. LIC is planning to raise 25,000 crores from anchor investors. Yes, Byju's also raised around, making it the most valuable startup in India, which even beat who's that? Paytm. Dude, what is wrong with Elon? Again, he tweeted something, dude. Apparently, Bitcoin jumps again after Elon says Tesla may use crypto in the future. He's just playing. He's doing this is pump and dump. This is proper pump and dump scheme. I don't understand what he's doing. This is insane. Yeah, so that's again happening. Someone's asking why Dogecoin is falling by 7.5%. For my question to you is, why do you have Dogecoin? Net really low. Yeah, it's not that much. I have Dogecoin. Sell the Dogecoin. No one's gonna use Dogecoin. Dude. Oh, there's another company called InMobi. Right, I don't know whether you guys have heard this. InMobi's glance to acquire Shop 101 to launch influencer-led commerce platform. This is InMobi guy, very famous. Launching celebrity and influencer-led live. It's China. Dude, we saw this. Yeah. Oh, not bad. Not bad. Not bad. Not bad, dude. Okay. Very interesting. Indigo offers flights tickets from 1,100 rupees in flash sale. Dude, I think everyone's doing really bad in life. Um, so that's why they're actually selling this to actually make some kind of money. But the airline sector is really finished. And have you seen petrol and diesel prices going up? Right? No one's on the road, but petrol, diesel prices are going up. So I don't understand where the demand is coming from. But it's just going up. Gold prices fall sharply again, down 800 in 2 days. Okay, that's also going on in life, apart from all the other problems. How many of y'all were sitting on the weekend not attending my session and watching that car going into that ground? Yeah, I know all you people were watching that kind of a video and not coming on the session to get some gyan. This is the problem. This is the problem. One second. Yeah, let me tell you about what happened with Byju's. Any lag? No lag as of now. I'll tell you what happened with Byju's. I think they raised a round, right? Yeah. So Byju's apparently raised another round. $340 million Byju's raised. That's somewhere around. It's approximately around 2,500 crores. Okay. only 2,500 crores raised by Baiju from investors such as UBS Group, Blackstone. Zoom's founder has invested in Nice. Zoom's founder has invested in Byju's. Abu Dhabi Sovereign Fund, insane, has invested in Byju's as well. So a lot of big names again, and it's apparently the most valuable startup right now, beating Paytm, and now it is at 16.5. How many of you all think in the comments that Byju's ka bhi IPO aa jayega very soon? How many of you all think? So a lot of people saying Byju's is shit, Byju's is shit. Do they've still managed to make revenue?
We hired people from Byju's for the in the
All
tech
this is
side.
recorded by the way.
I know, but we hired people from the tech side. It felt like freeing people from prison. I'm just kidding.
Disclaimer. Uh, yeah, so Byju's has now become one of the most valuable startups in India. And there's how many of you all think they might actually come out with an IPO because Paytm just announced an IPO, Zomato's coming out with an IPO, especially in COVID when all these people are not. In fact, I don't know how Byju is working right now because schools only are shut, right? Matlab, that's very weird. फिर भी अपना whatever everything can happen in our thing. So that's good. That's awesome. Some people want Avalon IPO. Hmm. For that, you guys have to come on my sessions, not watch Ghatkopar floor going inside the thing and nonsense like that. I'm pretty sure a lot of people might have Googled it also. Why floor went away in Ghatkopar. Yeah, nice. People are asking, is Avalon shares being sold in the grey market? Crazy. Okay, guys. Now I'm gonna take. Now every time what I do is I take a few people on stage. I end up taking some 10 people on stage. Each of them asking me two questions, and then it goes up by another half an hour, which eats up a lot of my time. So I'm gonna take only 3 people. Right, only 3 people today on stage. So if you click on ask to speak, I will take 3 people. If you don't have display picture, I will not take you up on stage. You have to have display picture compulsory. 3 people. The better your display picture, the higher your chances of coming up. But don't sit and put abs photo and all. I don't want to see all that. See, such a nice display picture by this fellow. Very good display. Omkar, very nice display picture, my friend.
Thank you, Sands.
Okay. Okay, check now. Have 3 people come on stage? Okay, only 2 people came. Third guy never came. Okay. Oh, is this a real display picture? Are you actually like this? I'm taking one more peek. I don't know whether that's a real picture or not of Varun, but it just
It's
looks
not.
very
It's not.
surreal.
Yeah, it
Who's
was to
that,
get
bro?
on stage. Can I go ahead with
Okay,
my
guys, go
question?
one by one. Yeah, sure, go.
Okay, cool. So I have two parts to my question. So the first one is with regards to Tata Power and basically the energy sector. What particular stocks do you see gaining a lot because of mobility going electric?
You're talking about which stocks will do well if everything goes electric?
Like I specifically want to know the outlook on Tata Motors, Tata Power, and Hero MotoCorp, considering their Gogoro plans. But yeah, the general question is what stocks will go great if mobility goes electric?
So Tata definitely has a very high chance of winning the mobility game. Okay. And if you ask me which Tata stocks, then it's Tata Elxsi, Tata Power, Tata Motors, Tata Consumer Products, Tata Steel, and Tata Chemicals.
Why TCPL?
Sorry,
Why do you think Tata's the
why
Tata
Tata
Consumer
Consumer?
Products?
Think about it. You tell me, why do you think it's Tata
I
Consumer?
I don't know what their what their product portfolio is, but from what I know, the TCPL
No.
is straight up FMCG consumer product. Is it not?
Correct, but think about this, right? Have you ever seen? Okay, have you gone abroad?
Huh?
Okay, so when you've gone abroad and you go for a road trip, do you know that on the road sides, right? Every 10 minutes, every 15 minutes, there's this. Uh,
Oh, okay. I think are you talking about how
roads
now
are
if
charging.
Tata Power has charging stations, then TCPL products will get placed over there.
Exactly, including Starbucks. Definitely, there'll be a Starbucks. all other
Mm-hmm.
products of Tata will also be there. Tata Power will be giving you the Tata e-station or charging station. I'm
Correct.
pretty sure they'll make a
Yeah,
beautiful
that's
bubble
hot.
for you
That
to
makes
wait for
sense.
30-45 minutes. So if you're waiting for 30-45 minutes, they'll definitely ensure you pay something or the other. In fact, think about
Mm-hmm.
this in this way, right? With everything which is there with IoT right now, if I'm reaching a charging station in 30 minutes, I can actually order a coffee. And by the time
Correct.
I reach that station, the coffee is ready for me. I don't even have to
Yeah,
wait.
yeah. Awesome, dude. Thank you so much.
Yeah. Thank you, Varun. Okay, guys. What else?
Yeah, can I go now?
Yeah, Omkar. Nice DP.
Yes.
Go ahead.
Yeah, thanks a lot. Thanks. I have been following you from approx 1.8 years. Okay. Uh,
Very nice.
uh, Approx 1 to 1.6 or 1.5 months you came live, and someone asked you that what is your trading strategy. Okay, so
Hmm.
you answered him that I follow 3 days rule. Okay, if one stock is going having upper circuit continuous for 1 to 2 days, then I invest in it, and then after 3 days after I've gained my profit, I remove my money and I go tata bye bye. Okay,
Hmm.
so I was very interested that do you still follow that technique or not?
No, not anymore. Not anymore. Because the time changes also. No, see, in that time when we were in this time, I think this was 1 year ago, which was in March. At that time, very few stocks were going up really well, right before COVID. Not many stocks were going up at that point. But there was a very clear trend with stocks like Ruchi Soya, stocks like Alok Industries, where all these stocks were going up 15, 20 upper circuits. Right? You didn't have to think about it. It was very normal. So I was taking advantage of that situation. Now, but times have changed again. Now you don't see a stock going up 15 times upper circuit constantly. Different times, different era.
Yes, yes, yes. And one more small question: if I have invested in some XYZ stock, okay, and if it gave me return of 20% in just 3 to 4 days, and
Hmm.
I believe in fundamental, okay, it's all good,
Hmm.
but then afterwards, after 7 to 8 days, it comes down to 5 and 6%, and for 1 to 2 months, it's there only to 5 to 6% profit.
Hmm.
So there is a guilt that I should have been removed that 20%, that after 3 to 4 days, then I will be possible that it will be possible to utilize that money afterwards in other stocks. Okay,
Hmm.
so should should we remove that money after 4 to 6 days when the profit is 20%, or should we wait for 3 to 4 months again?
So why did you not remove?
Because I believed in fundamental, but you only said no in previous sessions that if you get 20 to 15% in a year, it's well and good. You should enjoy with that. But
Correct.
I don't know. Yes.
See, the thing is, it depends on you as an individual, right? What is your ceiling? Like, if you say that, you know what, I'm going to be very systematic about this. My goals are, if I get 20%, I'm done with 20%. I take it and walk away. If you're like, no, I don't care, because even if it's gone down by 10%, it's still at 5%. I know for a fact in 3 years it'll be a multi-bagger, so I'm going to hold it for that. So maybe in 3 years it'll go up by 80%, and then you'll be like, shit, why did I sell it at 20%? So you'll never be satisfied that way. You need to make your own system and be happy with that own system.
Okay. Thanks a lot. Yes.
Hmm? Awesome.
Yes. Thanks.
Yes, Ronak.
Hey
What's
Shashank,
up?
what's
Yeah,
up, man?
tell
How are
me,
you?
man. All good, bro.
Yeah,
You tell me.
so there are so many IPOs coming. So how do you plan on getting one? Like, there's so many
Sorry,
IPOs.
sorry,
तो कैसे plan
I didn't
करना?
get
So
what you're
which
saying.
one?
Can you repeat?
Yeah, is it audible now? Hello.
Yes, it is audible, sir.
Yeah. So there are so many IPOs coming in. So how do you plan on getting one? कि I have to get this IPO or not? Like इतने सारे. So how do you go about it?
Dude, you can't. Nobody can crack the IPO game. First of all, right? If there are so many IPOs coming out, you can only apply and pray to God that you get it. If you don't get it, you can't get it.
Okay, okay, right.
There's no hack. It's not like I know a secret where I can get allotment and you don't know the secret, so you don't get the allotment. ऐसा नहीं होता, right? If you get it, you're lucky. If you don't get it, you're unlucky. That's it. As simple as that. But it's okay. I don't care too much about IPO allotment, because you can always buy it later on. First of all, right? Everything comes back to normalcy. Everything corrects after a
All
point.
right,
So
all
you
right.
buy it at correction. Fine. How does it matter? If you look at Happiest Minds, it was after it got over with its IPO. It was trading at 280, 300. You could have bought it that time. Now it is at 1,000. It's gone up 3 times since IPO. You could have still bought it that time,
Perfect,
right? Look at
perfect.
IRCTC. You had time to buy it. It went up again. Burger King went up and came down. So even after IPO, you have a time. So if you believe it in the long term, SBI cards, as Damni is saying, damn good, very fundamentally strong stocks that are coming out with an IPO. So if you don't get it, just wait for a few days. It might just go down. Get my point?
Yeah, yeah, fair enough. Yeah, got it. Another question
Awesome.
is like what happened in a couple of days of regarding Adani. So if the market crash like हो गया, so उसके बाद what should we do? Like how should we plan on कि कितना नीचे जाएगा? Hello.
Sorry, I got to tell me, continue.
Yeah, yeah, no problem. Chill. Yeah. So like if like the market crashes right now due to
Yeah.
Adani and those scenes of that's happening. So how should we prepare on like how should we play for it right now
You
if
can't
the market
prepare, you
crashes?
just double down, is what I usually do. Don't prepare, just double down.
So you basically average down the good stocks you own. Basically, that's
Yes, I
what you're
average it
trying to
down.
say.
Yes, yes, yes.
Cool.
Understood.
Yeah,
Got it?
yeah, got it, man. Thank you so much.
Awesome. Awesome. Okay.
Yeah. Bye.
Awesome. Thank you, Rana. Okay, guys, I hope that helped. I hope that worked. Someone just reminded me that we should have done, what is that, BEPL, BMPL ka ek stock analysis karna tha. So we will do it tomorrow because today is Monday and there's a lot of work. But we'll do BEPL review tomorrow. How's that sound? Good? We'll do 5 minute market talk and then we'll do BEPL review. Awesome. Okay, guys. Good. Nice information, guys. Be careful. Market is in a very weird state. So I would say if you're trying to put some big amount of money right now, do it in tranches. Is what I would say. Don't put everything right now. Okay. Awesome. Thank you, guys. Bye bye.